Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block websites on iPhone. On iPhone, you can restrict access to specific websites by using the built-in screen time feature. I will show you step-by-step guide on how to block a website on an iPhone. But before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, just go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you're new. Each like helps a lot. Also, comment down below if you have any questions around the video. Okay, let's get started. To block a website on iPhone, first step is open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on screen time. If you haven't set up screen time, you may need to enable it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a screen time passcode. Inside screen time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle, if prompted. Enter your screen time passcode. Scroll down and tap on Content Restrictions. Tap on Web Content. You can choose to limit adult websites, which will automatically block many explicit websites. However, if you want to add specific websites to block list, continue to the next step. Under the Never Allow section, tap on Add Website and enter the URL of the website you can to block. Once you have added the websites, tap Done. Now the specified websites should be blocked on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this method relies on screen time and you may need to remember the screen time passcode to make changes in the future. That's the easiest way to do it. If this video helped you out, give me a like because every like helps a lot and I want to see you in next video. Bye.